Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about how to master video editing on a budget with Clipchamp. If you're looking to create stunning videos without spending a fortune on some expensive editing software, then this is the video for you. First things first, let's get Clipchamp. There are multiple ways to use Clipchamp. So here are just a few ways how to. You can go to their browser-based or to their browser, clipchamp.com, and then use it in a browser-based way. The other ways is if you already have Windows 11, it might already be pre-installed on your PC, so you can search for it as it is here. If it is not, you can go to the Microsoft Store and go in here, and then you can download it from the store. Here it is, and then you can click download. Because I already have it, I do not have that option, I can just open it. And that is how you can get Clipchamp. Once you have it installed or found the way that you would like to use it, then you have to log in. So let's do that. I'm already logged in, but you can log in with your Microsoft account, Google account, or create a new account with your email. Find the solution that best fits you. When you have done that and successfully logged in, your screen should look like this. Here you can create your new video or select a template for a video project that you would like to start. And here are your most recent video projects that you have made. So let's jump into the interface and create a new video. So click up here. Now that we have made our way to the interface, let's look at what you can do in Clipchamp. I'll cover the basics in the whole interface. That means I'll show you what Clipchamp is capable of. I'll be covering trimming, cutting, how you can merge your video clips together to create a seamless video. I'll also show you how you can add text, transitions, and much more to make your video stand out. So, firstly, let's cover nearly everything that you can do in Clipchamp. Let's start up in the upper selection. So let's take the Clipchamp menu. This is up here. Here you have back to home, create a new video project, upgrade your plan of Clipchamp. You have more features and you have the backup of your video projects up in the cloud. You have your keyboard shortcuts. If you do not like to use your mouse a lot in here, then you can use that and find the shortcut for the things that you'd like to do. And you have help and you have your account. Here, afterwards, you have your import media. You can either drag and drop your video files here, or you can click here and browse through your computer wherever they are. There's actually the little down arrow here. You can choose from wherever you would like to import them from. So let's just take this little test file that I have. Now this is a part of your video project, and then you can just drag and drop them to your timeline. Afterwards, there is the video title, where you can choose a title for your video project. Let's call mine test. And this is the little backup cloud symbol. It's just a part of the premium plan. If you have that, and you have a backup of your video projects. And here you can upgrade. And the export button for exporting your video project. You can choose between these qualities of the video file that you would like to have exported. And then we have the aspect ratio that you can change as well. So that's about the upper section. Let's go to the right section. Here we have captions. So here you can turn on auto captions, and then you can choose the language, and then you can actually filter for profanity and offensive language if that's something you'd like for your video. Then the audio, you can click your video clip, and then you can choose if you would like to have it decrease the volume or increase the volume. And you can actually detach the audio as well from that video clip if you'd like to make it some changes to the audio in, let's say, Audacity or something. Then you have fade. And fade, you can actually make this fading effect on your video clips on as to how you want them to fade in the start or at the end of a video clip. Then you have filters. that you can put on your video clips as well, if that's something you would like. Then you have effects, and you can choose that. You can adjust the colors as well with these. And then you can choose the speed of your clip. Would you like to have it to go extremely fast or slow? And that's about the right section. Let's take the left section. Of course, you have your media, which is where you have imported your video files. Then you have record and create. Here you can record through Clipchamp, and you can record your screen, camera, just your camera, your screen, or you can use their new text-to-speech feature as well. So you can just go in here, and then you can type in something. You can choose the voice, the style, and the pitch, and in what language you would like to have it. So you can use that for something. Then we have our templates, which we saw in the start screen as well. So you can use the templates as well. And we have the music that you can choose from here as well, downwards. And here's some stock videos. These are something that you can put in the videos that you'd like to. Let's say you would like to have some backgrounds, a subscriber panel, you can put this into your video project as well. And then you can put in some images. Is that something you'd like to have as well? And then you have your text. This is where you can import some or choose some text that you'd like to have in your video project as well. And there are different types of that you can choose from. Then you have different graphics that you can use. Transitions, how you would like to transition from one video clip to another. Which type of that you'd like. And the brand kit. Let's say you have some fonts, colors, and logos that you'd like to have persistent. You can use that, but the brand kit is only for the premium plan. So now we have made it down to the lower selection. This is where you have your timeline. This is the big overview of your whole video project. So I've just added an extra clip up here to show you how we can trim, cut, add text, make a transition, and how you can edit some audio about making it increase in volume and decrease it. So let's take this video clip, or these two. So we have these two video clips that we would like to make into one seamless video. I know that when we go over to this one, from this one clip to the other, we're gonna get a hard cut, like so. It is not the most prettiest one. So that is where we would like to have a transition. So we will go over here to the transitions and choose one. And let's take beams. You can take this and drag and drop to the plus sign. So when these two clips will go from one clip to another, this transition will appear. You can actually change the duration of this transition or choose another one. So that's one thing you can do. Or maybe you would like to just trim some of this clip down. You can just drag and drop this or drag it like so in this end or the other end. You can actually cut it as well. So let's say I have this one clip, but I do not need to use it all. I can actually click this little scissor sign up here, or click the S. This is the shortcut for it. Then I have specified it in 2 video clips now. And if we would like some text, we can go in here and choose one of these ones. So let's take text and add it. Then it will appear up here. You can actually drag wherever you would like to have this text to appear on your screen or on the video. You can shorten it by using these as well. You can click it, and then you have these options here when it has to fade in and out. Maybe you want some effects, or you can go up here to change the font, or if it has to be bold size, or how big of size the text should be. And of course the audio you can change. You can, as I showed you before, increase it, decrease it, or detach it. And that's just some of the ways that how you can use Clipchamp. I won't be covering too much about what you can do because it's very individual of whatever project that you're doing, of what you're going to use here in Clipchamp. But this is just to choose or show you some of the main features that I use when I have to do something here in Clipchamp. And that's about it. As you can see, Clipchamp is very user-friendly and has a very intuitive interface. So even if you're a complete beginner, as I am, you'll find it very easy to navigate and use Clipchamp. and it's for free. And the very nice thing about it, when you export a video up here, it does not leave a watermark in the exported project, which many of these free editing software does when you have to use them. So that's a very big plus sign from using Clipchamp. As well, I hope you have found this video very helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.